Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. Begin with accessing tab menu. In it, you need to look for location icon, and when you find it, just click on it. Then select close in this pop-up, and when I go back, as you can see, the location of my Nubia is now off. If you wish to turn it on, just click on the same shortcut. You can also go into settings instead and tap on location section here. Then manage location by tapping on this sweater next to use location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!